Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, our today's lesson is again related to the process of urine formation, and in this lesson we will discuss the last step which is involved in the process of urine formation, and this is known as the secretion. We have in our last lessons we have seen the process of you can say the filtration as well as the reabsorption. Now what happened next to after the filtration and the reabsorption, this is the process of secretion. So we will define the secretion that the substances move into the distal and the collecting tubules from the blood in the capillaries around these tubules. So these are the different types of the substances which are moving from the bloodstream into the tubules, and these all are called the secretions. So the secretion is the reabsorption in reverse. As we have seen in the process of reabsorption that the things are coming out of the tubules into the bloodstream, but in the case of the secretions, the substances are moving from the blood capillaries or the capillaries surrounding the convoluted tubules into the tubular regions. That's why this is the process reverse to the reabsorption. Reabsorption was the substance from the tubules into the blood, and the secretion is the process in which the substances are moving from the blood into the tubules. So these two processes are the reverse of each other. Here you can see again the structure of the nephron, which is involving the two major portions, the renal corpuscles and the renal tubular regions. In the renal corpuscles, the process of filtration was taking place, and in the renal tubular region, both the reabsorption and the secretion process was occurring. And the tubular region involves the proximal convoluted tubules, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubules, and finally the collecting ducts. Those are the substances are secreted through either an active transport mechanism or as a result of the diffusion across the membrane. So you can say the transport could be the active or could be the passive according to the concentration of the substances on both sides. The secretion plays a crucial role in maintaining the body's acid-base balance. Another example of an important body function that is the kidney participation in. So finally we will describe the summary of the whole urine formation process, that the filtration of water and the dissolved substances out of the blood into the glomeruli and into the Bowman's capsule. So this was the first step of the urine formation. According to the second step, which was the reabsorption of water and dissolved substances out of the kidney tubules back into the blood. Note that this process prevents the substances needed by the body from being lost in the urine, as we spoke of earlier, students. Third step was the secretion. So the secretion of the hydrogen ions, potassium ions, ammonia and the certain drugs out of the blood and into the kidney tubules, where they are eventually eliminated in the urine. So this secretion process again help the body to get rid of the some chemicals or substances which are not needed by the body and has to be eliminated from the body. So this is all about the urine formation process. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.